An invisible hunter beneath the waves. Meet Toloka, Ukraine's new family of underwater drone torpedoes that claim ranges up to 2,000 km. This system is designed to strike Russian ships and coastal bases across the entire Black Sea, changing the way maritime warfare is fought. Toloka combines the stealth of an underwater vehicle with the destructive power of a long-range torpedo, making it nearly undetectable while traveling thousands of kilometers to reach its target. Ukraine has developed several modifications of this system. The compact TLK-150 with a 100 km range, the TLK-400 capable of carrying a 500 kg warhead to distances of up to 200 km, and the heavy TLK-1000 with a range of 2,000 km and a payload of up to 5,000 kg. These capabilities make Toloka a flexible weapon family, from close-range ship attacks to strategic long-distance strikes. On June 3, 2025, the SBU announced a special operation that damaged one of the underwater supports of the Crimean Bridge, with reports suggesting that drone torpedoes such as Toloka or Marichka may have been involved. The design of Toloka includes a mast with antennas and optical sensors that remains above the water for navigation and communication, while the main hull remains hidden beneath the surface. This makes it difficult to detect by radar and surveillance systems while still allowing control and course corrections. The existence of Toloka forces Russia to rethink its naval defenses in the Black Sea. Hydroacoustic monitoring, anti-torpedo systems, and new coastal protection measures may be required, demanding massive resources. Even a limited number of such drones can act as a strategic deterrent, disrupting enemy planning and creating uncertainty. Toloka represents more than a weapon, it signals a new era in maritime operations. Just as aerial drones reshaped land warfare, underwater drones are beginning to redefine control of the seas. Ukraine has shown that it can create advanced systems capable of altering the balance of power in the region, and Toloka may be the first of many to come.